Hey everybody, in this video I'm gonna be showing you guys how to become a Zillow agent. So without any further ado, let's get started with today's video. The first step is to obtain a real estate license. To become a Zillow agent, you need to obtain a valid real estate license in the state where you plan to operate. Requirements for obtaining a license vary by state, but typically involve completing pre-licensing education, passing a licensing exam, and undergoing a background check, research the specific requirements in your state, and take the necessary steps to obtain your real estate license. The next step is to gain real estate experience and knowledge. So, while not mandatory, gaining experience and knowledge in the real estate industry can be beneficial in establishing yourself as a successful Zillow agent. Consider working with a reputable brokerage or experienced real estate professionals to learn the ins and outs of the business, develop your skills, and build a strong foundation in real estate. The following step is to create a professional online presence. So, having a professional online presence is crucial for attracting clients on Zillow. So, create a professional website or utilize social media platforms to showcase your expertise, listings, and client testimonials. Ensure that your online profiles are up to date, informative, and visually appealing, and that they reflect your professionalism and commitment to serving clients. The next step is to join Zillow Premier Agent. Zillow offers a program called Zillow Premier Agent, which allows real estate agents to advertise on Zillow and connect with potential clients. To join Zillow Premier Agent, visit the Zillow website and find the agent advertising or Premier Agent section. Follow the instructions to sign up, provide the necessary information, and choose the advertising package that suits your needs and budget. The last step is to build a strong reputation and network. Establishing a strong reputation is key to success as a Zillow agent. Provide excellent service to your clients, maintain clear and timely communication, and prioritize their needs. Encourage satisfied clients to leave positive reviews and testimonials on your Zillow profile. Additionally, network with other professionals in the industry such as lenders, home inspectors, and attorneys, as they can provide valuable referrals and support. So this is how you do it, guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video very soon. Peace.